Hi, it's Doug talking about the training schedule registration of firefighters attending a training session within Fire Department Online. We are currently looking at the training schedule listings page. Today's date and time is January the 15th at 3 p.m. As you can see, we have a training session of first aid and CPR training scheduled today with Alicia and Phil as the trainers. Notice there are no extra buttons to the right of the column of joint. Today's date is still January 15th, but it is now 6:30 p.m. We are looking at how a single firefighter can register all attending firefighters at once. Click on all the firefighters who are or did attend this training session and then click on the Register Firefighters button. We receive a confirmation message that the firefighters were successfully registered. Notice the firefighters we registered are no longer showing at the top of the page. These firefighters are now listed at the bottom of the page. We will remove Keith as attending as we added Keith by mistake. We will click on the checkbox to the left of Keith's name, then click on the Remove Firefighters button. We receive a confirmation message stating that we have successfully removed the firefighters. Notice Keith is back at the top of the page again now that he has been removed as attending this training session. We can also update information about this training session by clicking on the Update Training Information button. Here we can update the actual training topic if required. We can also change who the trainers were or add additional trainers. The skills covered or learned can't be associated to this training session. We will replace Alicia with Billy as being one of the trainers. Please note that any changes or updates are not reflected on the training schedule listings page. Today's date is still January 15th and it is now 6:45 p.m. We are looking at the training schedule listings page. Notice that there is an attended button now shown that wasn't on this page earlier today. This will allow a single firefighter the ability to register that they attended this training session. If they click on the attended button, a pop-up appears where the firefighter must click the attended button again, which acknowledges that they did attend the training session. After clicking on the attended button on the pop-up, the training schedule listings page is shown again, but this time without the attended button, since this time the firefighter has already registered that they attended the training session. Today's date is now January the 17th. Since this training session was added as a special training date, the system will show the attended button with no time restrictions as previously shown. The reason for this is the system does not know whether this special training will be held during the day or night. The method for adding numerous firefighters as attending this training session is also available immediately on the special training date, regardless of the time of day. It is still January 17th, but this time we are signed into the system as a firefighter who can update timesheets. As you can see, there is a timesheets button on the training schedule listings page. This fire department has set the system to show the timesheets button 2 days after the scheduled training date. If we click on the timesheets button, we are presented with a listing of all firefighters who registered as attending this training session. For the record, we are currently using the credits methods, not the hourly method, for this fire department. If it was the hourly method, you would be entering the default hours instead of entering default credits. Enter the default credits that these firefighters are going to receive and then click on the Continue button. Now we have the ability to update or delete individual firefighters' credits. I will now show you how you can change when the attended and timesheets buttons will be shown and for how long. From any screen within the system, click on Administration on the navigation bar. From the Administration homepage, click the Systems Options button. From the Systems Options homepage, click the Training button. Finally, click on the Timesheets Buttons button. From the drop-down list, select at what time the attended button will appear on the scheduled training date. Next, select the number of days after the scheduled training date that the attended button will be available. Lastly, from the drop-down list, select when the Timesheets button will be shown after the selected training date. Click on the Update Button Options button. You will receive a confirmation message that you successfully updated the Timesheets button options. That concludes the video on training schedule registration of firefighters attending a training session within Fire Department Online. Thanks for watching.